Lalo na dahil natalo sila sa breaks of the game last year. Sana daw this time around, makamit na niya ang panalo bilang North All-Star coach. Back to you guys.
At maging si Dave has been vocal about wanting to get back at the South All-Stars.
So, you should have called us, Ken, when he said that.
77-48. Isa pang hiling ni Dave kung pwede daw bumalik si Mike Phillips But no, Dave on a mission. Oh, Tucker Molina!
Eye in the sky.
Wala naman tayong like rule na deadline,
Right.
Saka pwede
Limit.
naman, limit, tama.
Wala.
Kahit parehong abra, pwede. 17 teams represented in that 3-point shootout. Mamaradlo, another aggressive move to the basket.
My Drex.
Ayon na yun. Glides in, still showing us his athleticism. Back-to-back seasons with San Juan.
Yeah, parang the first year was first team, and
tama.
then the second team was the second year.
Tapika ng bola, may kayo na yun. 1-on-3.
Guess what?
Doesn't matter.
The one wins.
And he has come a long way from Antipolo. Played for PCU. May reward
You
ba yun?
probably know more of the stories than me, considering my short-term memory and my Tito years. For sure, you get a lot of friendship from me. I mean, from me for sure. From Mika, I don't know. She's so unfriendly. I mean, don't believe what you guys see on TV.
I'm trying.
Pasang-awa po ako sa Pilipino.
No. I'm trying to find a better term for who she is as a courtside reporter, if you know what I'm talking about. Duba, wala. De Los Reyes. Oh! Put back jam with two hands by Tucker Molina.
Watch your head.
Baldos saves it. Molina in transition. Tucker. Nice pass inside to Redel Fabro.
Many transition points by Abra in this game. 26 points off of fast breaks.
Makes it 93-61. Jay Yutok. Pinawi din sa kabila. The left corner. Isabela and Rizal. And then our main game. San Juan versus Bilyan. Rivera with a free. Pending loss. They will drop down to 9-14.
Another slam.
Oh, Reyes naman with a sledgehammer. Mabibigat pa alam ko mabibigat pa yung mga kalaban nila. Yeah, against Rizal and Ilagan Isabela to cap off their elimination round in that play-in for number 8. Parang nandun na sila kasi yung mga teams like Pasay, because San Juan beat Abra.
Right.
Jay Yutok hits a free. 105-64.
Every time they would get their opportunity, especially in the fourth quarter, wherein quote-unquote, people call garbage time because really there's no such thing.
Parang gusto niya may edge sa practice, di ba?
Right.
For him, it really reflects how all of these players want to win.
Well, that happened about 2 months ago.
CJ Duengo hits the free. Just being dominant in the second half. And cruise to their 18th straight victory, their 20th win of the season.